Are you ready to embark on a journey of self-discovery and enlightenment? In this video, we aim to inspire and motivate you to embark on a profound journey of self-discovery, leading to enhanced clarity and wisdom. One of the key lessons in cultivating clarity of thought, according to Buddhism, is the practice of emptying your thoughts. This concept may seem counterintuitive at first, as we often associate thinking with the constant stream of thoughts running through our minds. Buddhist teachings encourage us to transcend this incessant mental chatter and attain a state of mental clarity by emptying the mind of unnecessary clutter. In Buddhism, this process is known as emptiness, which refers to the realization that all phenomena are devoid of inherent existence. Rather than clinging to transient thoughts and emotions, we learn to let go and cultivate a spacious and open mind. This practice allows us to see things as they truly are, free from the distortions of our own subjective perceptions. By emptying our thoughts, we create a fertile ground for deep and clear thinking to arise. We let go of attachment to preconceived notions and biases, allowing fresh insights and perspectives to emerge. Through mindfulness meditation and other contemplative practices, we gradually train our minds to let go of distractions and focus on the present moment, thus paving the way for profound clarity of thought. In Buddhism, the practice of emptying your thoughts involves letting go of attachment and freeing yourself from the constant stream of mental chatter. By cultivating mindfulness and observation, you can gradually detach from racing thoughts, allowing for a serene and calm state of mind. Recognizing the impermanence of thoughts and emotions helps in avoiding undue worries and anxieties, enabling you to focus more deeply on the present moment. Maintaining concentration and orderliness is paramount in the pursuit of clarity of thought. The human mind is naturally prone to distraction, jumping from one thought to another in a seemingly random fashion. However, according to Buddhist teachings, we have the capacity to train our minds to be focused and orderly through disciplined practice. One of the most powerful tools for cultivating concentration is mindfulness meditation. By directing our attention to the present moment, we learn to quiet the mind and develop sustained focus. With regular practice, we can train our minds to stay centered amidst the chaos of everyday life, allowing for deeper levels of insight and understanding to emerge. Maintaining orderliness in our external environment can also support clarity of thought. A cluttered and chaotic space can mirror the state of our minds, making it difficult to think clearly. By organizing our physical surroundings and creating a conducive environment for reflection, we can enhance our ability to engage in deep and meaningful contemplation. Buddhism emphasizes the importance of maintaining concentration and orderliness through practices such as meditation. One can strengthen their ability to remain focused and attentive by disciplining the mind. Distractions are reduced, and clarity of thought is enhanced. With sustained effort, the cluttered mind gradually finds stillness, creating a fertile ground for deep contemplation and self-reflection. Another key aspect of cultivating clarity of thought is the ability to formulate personal perspectives. In the Buddhist tradition, this involves developing a clear understanding of the nature of reality and our place within it. Rather than passively accepting external influences, we are encouraged to critically examine our beliefs and assumptions and cultivate our own unique worldview. This process of formulating personal perspectives requires introspection and self-reflection. Through practices such as self-inquiry and contemplation, we can explore fundamental questions about the nature of existence, the nature of suffering, and the path to liberation. By engaging in this inquiry with an open and curious mind, we can deepen our understanding of ourselves and the world around us. It is important to approach this process with humility and openness to new ideas. While it is valuable to formulate personal perspectives, we must also remain open to the perspectives of others and be willing to revise our own beliefs in light of new evidence or insights. In this way, we can continue to refine and deepen our understanding, fostering greater clarity of thought in the process. Buddhism encourages individuals to formulate personal perspectives based on clear reasoning, logical thinking, and an understanding of life's interdependent nature. By critically analyzing various viewpoints and questioning preconceived notions, we can develop broad-mindedness and genuine wisdom. This allows for a deeper understanding of ourselves and the world around us, enabling us to navigate challenges with clarity and compassion. A crucial step in cultivating clarity of thought is the cultivation of self-knowledge. In the Buddhist tradition, this involves turning inward and exploring the depths of our own minds with honesty and compassion. By gaining insight into our thoughts, emotions, and motivations, we can develop a deeper understanding of ourselves and our place in the world. Self-knowledge is cultivated through practices such as mindfulness meditation, self-inquiry, and introspection. By observing our thoughts and emotions without judgment, we can gain valuable insights into the underlying patterns and tendencies of our minds. Through this process of self-exploration, we can uncover hidden biases, fears, and desires that may be clouding our ability to think clearly. Cultivating self-knowledge allows us to cultivate greater self-awareness and emotional intelligence. By understanding our own strengths and weaknesses, we can make more informed decisions and navigate life's challenges with greater clarity and confidence. Ultimately, self-knowledge is the foundation upon which all other aspects of personal growth and development are built, making it an essential component of cultivating clarity of thought. Deep introspection and self-awareness form the basis of Buddhist teachings. By cultivating self-knowledge, we gain insights into our thoughts, emotions, and actions. This process involves mindfulness, keen observation, and non-judgmental awareness of our inner landscape. Cultivating self-knowledge helps us recognize our patterns of behavior, overcome destructive habits, and make positive changes, ultimately leading to clarity of thought and purposeful actions. To truly cultivate clarity of thought, we must cultivate an inquisitive nature and continuously explore the world around us. In the Buddhist tradition, this is known as the spirit of inquiry or Dharma inquiry. It involves asking probing questions, seeking deeper understanding, and challenging conventional wisdom. This spirit of inquiry is fueled by curiosity and a thirst for knowledge. Rather than passively accepting things at face value, we are encouraged to dig deeper, question assumptions, and explore alternative perspectives. By approaching life with a sense of curiosity and wonder, we can uncover hidden truths and expand our understanding of the world. Cultivating an inquisitive nature allows us to break free from the confines of rigid thinking and embrace a more flexible and open-minded approach. By being willing to explore new ideas and perspectives, we can transcend the limitations of our own conditioning and tap into a deeper reservoir of wisdom and insight. Buddhism advocates for a mindset of continuous learning and exploration. Rather than accepting dogmas blindly, it encourages individuals to question and investigate. Developing an inquisitive nature propels us towards seeking knowledge, engaging in critical thinking, and embracing intellectual growth. This openness to new ideas, perspectives, and experiences expands our understanding and further enhances our ability to think deeply and clearly. Enhancing self-awareness through metacognition, or awareness of our own cognitive processes, plays a vital role in cultivating deep and clear thinking. By developing metacognitive skills, we can observe our thoughts and emotions objectively, identify biases or distortions, and make conscious choices in response to situations. Building this ability allows us to regulate our thinking patterns, improving decision-making, and fostering a deeper understanding of ourselves and others. In the pursuit of clarity of thought, enhancing self-awareness through metacognition is essential. Metacognition refers to the ability to reflect on and regulate our own thinking processes. By becoming aware of how we think, we can identify cognitive biases, correct faulty reasoning, and make more informed decisions. One of the key practices for enhancing metacognition is mindfulness meditation. By observing our thoughts as they arise and pass away, we can develop a greater awareness of our mental habits and tendencies. Through this process of self-observation, we can identify patterns of thought that may be clouding our judgment or leading to unproductive thinking. Cultivating metacognition allows us to become more intentional and purposeful in our thinking. Rather than being driven by unconscious impulses or habitual patterns, we can learn to direct our attention and focus towards more productive ends. By cultivating this higher level of self-awareness, we can enhance our ability to think deeply and clearly in all areas of life. Regulating emotions and avoiding being hindered by fixations, anxieties, and irrational ideas are essential aspects of cultivating clarity of thought. The teachings of Buddhism emphasize the importance of emotional regulation and transcending irrational ideas and fixations. Through mindfulness and meditation practices, individuals learn to recognize and respond to their emotions skillfully. By acknowledging the impermanent nature of both pleasant and unpleasant emotions, we can avoid being overwhelmed or swept away by them. This clarity of emotional regulation enables us to think deeply and clearly unencumbered by unnecessary mental baggage. It is essential to regulate emotions and avoid being hindered by fixations, anxieties, and irrational ideas. Our emotions can often cloud our judgment and lead to distorted thinking patterns. By learning to regulate our emotions, we can cultivate a calm and clear mind that is better equipped to engage in deep and meaningful contemplation. One of the key practices for regulating emotions is mindfulness meditation. By cultivating present moment awareness, we can develop a greater sense of emotional resilience and stability. Rather than being swept away by our emotions, we can learn to observe them with detachment and respond to them in a skillful and balanced manner. It is important to challenge fixations, anxieties, and irrational ideas that may arise in the mind. In the Buddhist tradition, this involves cultivating a sense of equanimity and non-attachment towards our thoughts and emotions. By recognizing that all phenomena are impermanent and subject to change, we can avoid becoming overly fixated or attached to particular ideas or outcomes. Cultivating clarity of thought is a transformative journey that requires dedication, patience, and mindfulness. By embracing the teachings of Buddhism and incorporating these 7 essential lessons into our lives, we can develop a profound ability to think deeply and clearly. Through the practice of emptying our thoughts, maintaining concentration and orderliness, formulating personal perspectives, cultivating self-knowledge, cultivating an inquisitive nature, enhancing self-awareness through metacognition, and regulating emotions, we can unlock the full potential of our minds and experience greater peace, understanding, and enlightenment. May we all embark on this journey with open hearts and minds, and may we discover the profound clarity that lies within. This comprehensive discourse covers various aspects of cultivating clarity of thought according to Buddhist teachings, focusing on practical methods and philosophical insights to inspire and guide individuals on their spiritual journey. Each lesson is elaborated upon in detail, offering a thorough understanding of how to apply these principles in everyday life to foster deep and clear thinking.